Today I'm going to be talking about Chelonia mydas, commonly known as the green sea turtle. The green sea turtle is in the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia, order Testudines, and family Chelodinae. It is the only species in the genus Chelonia, and common names for it include green turtle, black sea turtle, green sea turtle, and Pacific green turtle. It is named for its green-colored fat found beneath the carapace, and its shell color ranges from olive to black. It is the largest sea turtle of the family Chelodinae, and it is an endangered species on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. This is due to extensive subpopulation declines in all major ocean basins that have been observed as a result of the overexploitation of eggs and adult females at nesting sites and incidental mortality relating to marine fisheries, as well as a number of other factors. Basic ecology of the green sea turtle includes its habitat and spatial distribution. Green sea turtles are found on coastlines, around islands, in bays, and on protected shores, usually in areas with large seagrass beds, and are rarely observed in the open ocean. Its range extends throughout tropical and subtropical seas worldwide, with two distinct populations in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, and are also found in the Indian Ocean. It is estimated that the mean annual number of nesting females has declined by 48 to 67% in the last 3 generations. Since many threats to the species have led to its decline and are irreversible and have yet to cease, it is evident that the species may face the risk of extinction. Population estimates of green sea turtles are between 85,000 to 90,000 nesting females, but since worldwide population numbers for sea turtle species do not actually exist, these numbers are based on estimates of the number of nesting females based on nesting beach monitoring reports and publications from 2004. Trophic ecology of green sea turtles includes its diet and ecological role. Adults consume seagrasses and algae on shallow ocean floors, and juveniles eat insects, crustaceans, seagrasses, and algae. Adults are strictly herbivores, while juveniles are omnivores. Juveniles are both primary and secondary consumers, while adults are strictly primary consumers. Adults help control populations of marine seagrasses and algae, and since green sea turtles are highly mobile throughout their lives, their food choices are often opportunistic. They facilitate nutrient turnover and seagrass regrowth and provide nitrogen-rich fertilizer in the form of fecal matter. Juveniles control hydrozoa and bryozoa populations, which are marine invertebrates. Moving on to the spawning behavior and life cycle of the green sea turtle, the amount of eggs that are produced by a female green sea turtle ranges between 100 to 200 eggs. The offspring, when it hatches, has no parents and starts its life in the ocean alone. The average age that a sea turtle will live to is about 80 years old. The gestation period is about 7 to 10 weeks. A female will go to her natal beach to mate with a male, and a female will breed every 2 to 4 years. Males will mate about once every year. Green sea turtles are named as such because of the greenish color of their subdermal fat. The scales are originally black at hatching, but then change color over the course of 27 to 50 years as the turtle matures. Their skull shape is described as round and smooth, and green sea turtles have short snouts and strong beaks that cover the bones of the jaw. Their jaws are short and serrated to properly rip food apart. Sexual dimorphism is not completely recognized in green sea turtles until early adulthood. Males and females differ morphologically by the length of their tail and cloacal openings. Male green turtles are slightly smaller in carapace length, have longer claws, and longer tails where their reproductive organs are located. Green turtles are the second largest overall species of sea turtles, and as hatchlings, they have an average weight of 25 grams and are 5 centimeters long. Adult green turtles, male or female, tend to be about 100 to 120 centimeters long in carapace length and weigh around 150 to 200 kilograms when reaching adulthood. Green turtles are polygynandrous, meaning that females and males will have multiple mates. Female green turtles average a total of 15 days between the initial mounting by a male to a time they attempt to nest on their respective natal beaches. The process usually begins with turtles approaching the beach and selecting a suitable nest site. The females begin to clear the area of debris by digging a hole with their front legs. After laying the eggs, the females will fill the nest with sand as a way to camouflage and conceal the eggs. Then the female returns to the water. Female green turtles can lay 1 to 9 clutches in a single nesting season, but tend to average around 3. Each of these clutches can include 75 to 200 eggs. After nesting, it can take 45 to 75 days for the eggs to hatch. This concludes my presentation on Chelonia mydas, the green sea turtle. My references are listed at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and learned a bit about the ecological roles that this interesting species has and the implications on its habitat alteration.